Welcome to WION Podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we uncover the $20 billion war machine designed to dominate the skies. Meet Boeing's game-changing F-47. The next era of American air dominance is here, and it has a name. In March 2025, the U.S. Air Force officially awarded Boeing the contract to develop its sixth-generation fighter jet, designated the F-47, under the NGAD program. While Lockheed Martin was once the undisputed king of stealth with the F-22 and F-35, Boeing has now secured the largest fighter contract in decades, signaling a bold shift in America's aerial strategy. But what exactly is the F-47, and how will it reshape modern warfare? Here's a deep dive into what we know and what we can expect from Boeing's most ambitious warplane yet. Unlike the F-15EX, which was an upgraded legacy aircraft, the F-47 is a completely new platform. It's Boeing's first clean-sheet fighter design, using lessons from its X-32 prototype, MQ-28, Ghost Bat drone, and B-21 radar-like stealth technologies. While official images are classified, early design leaks and concept art suggest a tailless, blended wing body with ultra-low observability and a flat, infrared-suppressing engine layout, similar to a manned stealth drone, but with cockpit flexibility. The spaceplane is expected to fly faster than Mach 2 and operate at ranges of over 1,000 nautical miles, making it one of the fastest and longest-reaching tactical aircraft ever built. Its adaptive cycle engines, being developed by Pratt & Whitney and GE, will allow it to switch between fuel-efficient cruising and high-thrust combat modes. The spaceplane won't fly alone. It's designed to function at the heart of a family of systems, controlling a fleet of autonomous drones like the Loyal Wingman, performing electronic warfare, surveillance, and even weapons delivery. Advanced AI will assist pilots with target identification, jamming, and even threat prediction in real time. The jet will be a node in the Pentagon's future combat cloud, sharing intelligence instantly across ships, satellites, and ground units. Think of it as a stealth fighter plus battlefield server rolled into one, capable of directing other assets while engaging targets itself. Internally stored hypersonic missiles, long-range air-to-air weapons, and even laser-based defense systems are expected to be integrated into the spacecraft. Its weapons bay is designed for modular payloads, making it ready for future munitions and high-power systems still under development. Despite Lockheed Martin's experience with stealth fighters, the Pentagon favored Boeing's aggressive digital engineering, autonomous capabilities, and its push for rapid prototyping. Reports suggest the decision was also partly strategic, to avoid over-reliance on a single defense contractor for all U.S. air dominance platforms. With rising tensions in the Indo-Pacific, particularly around China and Iran, the spaceplane is expected to be the primary force in future air campaigns. Its long reach and survivability make it ideal for first-strike missions or penetrating heavily defended zones without being detected. Flight demonstrations began in secret as early as 2020. Boeing is now entering the engineering and manufacturing development, or EMD phase, with limited production expected by 2030. The spaceplane will eventually replace the aging F-22 Raptors and possibly supplement or reshape the U.S. Navy's F/A-XX carrier fighter plans. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.